Today, I'll be talking about how we analyze videos of sublingual microcirculation using AVA 3.0, which is a program developed by MicroVision Medical, who also make the microscan imaging device. The first step is to configure the program settings. The key fields here are the three directories where the files will be stored, and the horizontal and vertical pitch. So now that all the settings are entered, we can open a video for analysis. These videos have already been quality scored as described in the blog. To begin the analysis, the contrast can be adjusted to help improve the visibility of the blood flow. The background can be adjusted as seen here. And the overall image intensities can be enhanced by manipulating this transfer curve. Here, you can see the output intensity histogram is more normalized than the input. With the intensities adjusted, we can stabilize the image. To do this, we select the segment of video using the bottom slider bar, and then click the button in the upper left. The image registration window will appear to begin stabilizing the video and writing it to a new file. After completing the contrast enhancements and stabilization, we can begin identifying vessels. Sometimes it is necessary to improve the image quality by averaging the frames, as seen here. To draw the vessels, we use the paintbrush tool to trace the center lines and select the wall diameter. In some cases, it can be hard to see where the vessels are located, so playing the video through a few times or stepping frame by frame can help. Once all the vessels are drawn, it'll look something like this. Different colored center lines indicate different size classes. Pressing F2 or clicking the button in the upper left will toggle the drawn vessels. To edit the vessels that are already drawn, you can select from the tools on the left toolbar. Cutting a vessel will divide it into two vessels. You can also delete vessels, or undo a delete by holding the Shift key. Using the chain tool, you can combine two vessels together. With all the vessels drawn, we can begin our flow analysis. MFI scores are determined by analyzing each quadrant. Here, we choose a semi-quantitative velocity score for each size category. Using the same semi-quantitative metric we use for the MFI score, we can analyze each individual vessel. Here we see scores that have already been assigned. Here we see a vessel with intermittent flow. And here's a vessel with continuous flow. To score each vessel, just click and choose the corresponding value. The buttons at the top control the view of the drawn vessels. You can use these buttons to display the grid used for the debugger score. Once the video has been analyzed, a report can be generated. A variety of information is documented in the report, including density distributions, debugger densities, velocity distributions, flow classifications, and the Barema or MFI score. All the information in the report is saved in a text file. After performing the analysis of a video, we move the original and stabilized videos along with the corresponding XFR file, the most recent logbook, and the report to a new folder. The reports can then be extracted into a database for further analysis.